how do I use PayPal crypto to buy Bitcoin? So in here, first thing that you have to remember is you should be in a region where buying crypto or buying or selling crypto through your digital wallet is legal or like eligible, right? So if you are in that region, then what you can do is simply open your PayPal, make sure you're logged into your account, and after logging into your account, what you're going to do is simply tap on this dashboard right here. Then we'll get into this page where there you'll be able to see the option of crypto. Tap on that crypto tab, and then there will be the option of selecting your coin. So you can either select a Bitcoin or another available cryptocurrency, and after selecting it, tap on buy and select or type the amount that you want to purchase. You can only go low as $1. You have to also remember that, and you can now further choose your funding source, and then from here what you can do is review the transaction details, and then you can simply tap on buy now, and like that you'll be able to buy cryptocurrencies through your PayPal. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video.